This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and getting hands-on. Plug the adapter into the correct USB port. If you have USB-C versus USB-A, use the matching connector. Once done, attach the Ethernet cable to the adapter and router port until it clicks. Make sure your computer is on and unlocked so drivers can install. While that happens, note your OS version and any physical link lights. These steps establish the physical connection so the system can detect the new network interface. Once the cable link lights are visible, you address software. You should check Device Manager on Windows or Network Preferences on Mac to see the adapter listed. If the OS did not auto-install drivers, download and run the exact driver for your OS build. Make sure it matches 32 versus 64-bit or kernel version on Linux. After drivers are active, let DHCP assign an IP or configure a static address with correct subnet, gateway, and DNS so your network traffic routes properly. You complete the setup by verifying connectivity and solving problems. First, you ping the gateway and browse to confirm internet access. Run a quick speed test to validate throughput. If you see no link lights or no IP, make sure to try another Ethernet cable and a different router port, then switch USB ports or use a powered hub. If that fails, reinstall or update the adapter driver and OS, and test the adapter on another computer to isolate hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.